back home now, but this is what I wore to lunch. So I have on my like cute jacket from ThredUp that I put the zipper in, frame, denim jeans, got on my J. Crew turtleneck, vintage Kenneth Cole that I just thrifted, and then for shoes, the sambas. Okay. There's nowhere to show you this that's better. So this is what I'm wearing to dinner. Frame jeans, this like fur trimmed top that I recently thrifted. And then I'm wearing black booties. Where are these from? I don't remember. I'll write it downstairs. And then, I know it's a lot of faux fur, but honestly it's really cold and this is the best coat for me to wear right now. So I'm gonna wear this coat and then my bag that I recently thrifted as well. So. Oh, I kicked my house. Oh, I got a cramp. Yes, my Christmas decorations are still up. I put all the Christmassy ones away. These are the wintry ones. And something they do in Amsterdam is they keep up the like lights because it's sad. So I adopted that. Home, another living room fit check. So I have on the faux fur jacket that I got from ThredUp, and I put the zipper in. And then this sweater, you guys, my grandma knit this sweater for my mom when my mom was like my age, so cool. I'm very cozy. And then I have a J. Crew turtleneck underneath because it's made out of wool, so yeah, if you know, you know. I'm wearing frame jeans, and then again, sambas, and then the baseball cap, which I've been wearing a lot lately, but it was super windy today, so